Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today, we're making an Instant Pot applesauce. So what you need is apples, Instant Pot, a cutting board, an apple cutter or a knife, and water. Now we want to wash our apples. So I just washed my apples, and now I'm going to cut my apple with this thing, an apple cutter. And you want to put the middle of this on the stem. So you want to use a knife to cut out the bad parts and the seeds, and after that you put them in your Instant Pot. Okay, we have our apples cut in our Instant Pot. You got 1 cup of water, and you're going to pour it on top of them. So we're going to hit start. And we're going to go up to 7. And time clock, 8 minutes. And start. They cooked for 8 minutes. And they set on the counter for 8 minutes. Then I release the steam. This is what my apples look like. Now I'm going to put them in a food processor. Okay, so I just put my apples in my food processor. Now we're going to hit on. Okay, so here's the applesauce. Now I'm going to let it cool. It smells like applesauce, so we are done with it. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.